Hi, I'm so happy to see you, Shamapti, and it's so good to have you here. And today I'll show my chemical exfoliating routine with ordinaries, AHA 30% and BHA 2% serum. So let's start. I use this chemical pill at night after I double cleanse my skin, and for that I'm using cleansing milk first because I think for this routine, since the chemical exfoliant is kind of high strength and it can be a kind of strong for the skin, so I keep rest of the skincare products in that same routine very gentle. And this one from Bioderma Lait is very good. This is a very gentle cleansing milk that works really good as first cleanser. So I'm gently prepping my skin for the chemical exfoliation, and the next step would be a foam based cleanser, and again I'm picking a very gentle cleanser. This one is from Put Simply, very good for sensitive skin, or if you are going for a high strength peel treatment, it can be soothing while cleansing. And I avoid exfoliating cleanser in the same routine where I'm gonna be using one exfoliating serum afterwards, because I don't want too much of exfoliation that can break my skin barrier. So my skin now is is clean. I'm gonna use the Ordinary's red pill. It looks scary, and it is. It can make or mar your skin. If you don't use this properly, it's not gonna be good. So first rule, do a patch test. Second rule, if you are very new to chemical peel, then do not try this at first. Use like 5% 10% peels, then go for this. And yeah, I don't apply this on my lips, around my eyes. Also make sure you're not applying this pill on damp skin. Apply this on dry skin, and do not keep this on for more than 10 minutes. Initially I just used this for 5 minutes, but now I can keep this on for 10 minutes. And see, chemical exfoliants can make your skin extra photosensitive, especially for a strong pill like this. So next day if you are exposed to sun, make sure you apply a good sunscreen. And what else, yeah, this is a very good pill if you have textures, pigmentation, and use this weekly, once in a week. And if your skin is like very sensitive, then it may not be for you. And yeah, it's been 10 minutes. I'm gonna wash it off, and I like how it makes my skin look. It works on congested pores, textures, dullness. I'm gonna follow up with her rose water. Then I'm gonna use one soothing serum. I look for the ingredients like green tea, mugwort, tricholis, then niacinamide. Again, I'm telling you, I'm not using any more exfoliating product in my skincare routine. Also, I avoid using vitamin C and retinol in the same routine. And yeah, the last step is the moisturizer. For that I'm using Midnight Blue Calming Cream from Klairs. Also Bioderma cicabio cream can be good, and honestly I won't recommend this for teenagers because I don't think they need it. And even if you are pregnant, then don't use it because it has BHA, and see, it can stain your clothes, so be careful with it. This exfoliating treatment gave me smooth skin, glowing skin. It also works on whiteheads, blackheads. It also helps detanning. You also can use this for your body, for your neck. Okay, my skin was feeling a bit more dry, so I went in with more moisturizer. I'm gonna see you soon then. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments box. Bye bye.